what do we do with all these crepe paper? Oh, how about making an elephant craft with it? We'll need our elephant frame to be sticky for our crepe paper later. If you don't have an elephant frame like the one I have here, you can just cut out an elephant shape from a piece of paper. Now for the fun part. I'm making a rainbow elephant, so I'm mixing all my crepe paper colors on the elephant frame. You can make yours in any color and design you want. Feel free to use other animal paper pieces for this craft. Just going to trim the edges here so it doesn't look shaggy. And for the finishing touches, a googly eye here. All done! Pretty and simple. Hope you have fun crafting your very own animal crepe paper craft.